crazy legs can be a really difficult one to unlock, so I'm going to show you a few hints and drills to help you on your journey. Before you do the crazy legs, it's really good if you've unlocked the dribble, and we're going to use that first of all to help with the push and pull and to lock in this front leg of the crazy legs. When you do a dribble, you push and pull, so I'm going to push this foot forward and bring this one back, and that is giving me this momentum to stay in place, and the crazy legs has got that same momentum. So if you can feel that, that's going to really help you. Now the front leg that I was talking about comes forward and it clicks into place with that heel. So we can practice that in the dribble. Here, so I'm going to bring my front leg forward and I'm going to heel down, really make myself aware of putting that heel down. And when you put it down, you want to put it down straight. So for the next one, we're going to work on this middle bit of the crazy legs where you're on 2 toes. So we're going to use the dribble again, but what we're going to do is be very aware of when your feet change and pass, they're going to be on 2-toe manuals. So if I'm here, I'm going to be toe-toe. So as I change, that middle bit for a split second, they're both going to be on my toe-toe. And that's going to help you build the strength that you need to get this middle section here. The crazy legs has this rise and fall to help you lift on the toe manuals in the middle. So when you're practicing this one, try and get the same rise and fall. So I'm going to rise as I go onto my toes, I'm going to come up and then I'm going to sink back down. And it's got this rhythm. And that's going to help with the same rhythm here. So far, we've just been practicing the dribble part of the crazy legs, but we need to add this middle section, that middle V or T position. So as this foot comes from the back, this is the one that's going to come to the front in this middle T. Now, the easiest way to think about this is I think of the front leg having the knee out. So when it comes forward, knee out. Forward, knee out. So you can practice this just by doing that. Knee out, knee out. Now, if you get the knee out, it means that this foot is also going to be out. So when you come to the next bit, you've got somewhere to go to straighten that foot. Otherwise, if you have your knees here, to make it look like you've straightened your foot, you end up having to do this, which I kind of think looks like you need a wee. So we don't want to go for that position. You might find that this back leg is going to turn in slightly, but if you aim to straighten, then it's not going to be this position. So we're going to come here, knee out, straighten up. Forward, knee out, straighten up. Knee out, straighten up. So it's knee out, knee out. Each time as it comes forward, I'm thinking my knee is going out, like that. Now, with this straightening up at the front, I like to hear my heel click in place. There. And that tells me that foot is solid and it's down. There. Click. Now I use that because that heel clicking is my stability. So I've got most of my weight on that foot. And it's giving me the drop, drop, drop. So the crazy leg is a lot about this toe-toe in the middle. So just practicing your toe-toe manuals is going to give you the strength and the balance to really, really help with that. So a really nice one to do is to do the stagger swap where you're doing it like this. And also you'll notice that I'm twisting my hips. When I do the crazy legs, that's the exact twist of the hip that I'm going to do to get that middle bit with my knee pointed out. So this one is going to really help you. Now, another one to practice is this, because when you're ready, you can do a heel toe crazy legs. So practicing the heel toe here is going to really help you as well. Now remember, whenever you're doing a heel manual, it's a roll up because of the weight shift. So remember that if you're going to do it here. Hopefully some of these tips and drills will help you unlock your crazy legs. Now you might notice my fabulous light up wheels this evening. I had a comment saying, I like when you wear light up wheels because I can see which wheels are rolling and where your weight is, so I thought it would be great for this video. I'm Katie, you're watching Skatie, and I'll see you next time. Bye!